Welcome back to Dancehall and News TV. Don't forget to share on your social media network with your friends and family. Let's get into it. International dancehall artist Charly Black's hit single "Gal You a Party Animal" has been given the thumbs up by Rihanna. The Bajan pop superstar launched her new makeup line Fenty Beauty on Thursday at New York's flagship Sephora store and streamed highlights live for her 56.3 million followers on Instagram. Rihanna sent dancehall fans into a frenzy when she was spotted twerking to Charly Black's diamond-selling track. Industry insiders are confident that this Rihanna endorsement, while small, will help boost the sales. "Gal You a Party Animal," produced by Kurt Riley, was released in July 2014. The video was shot the following month and released in early 2015. Please like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you for watching. Remember to turn your bell on for upload notifications. So until the next video, my wise words for the day is, use common sense. I'm out.
Charly Black will love you. I'm happy for you. I want you to go to the roof of the world. You hear that? Big up yourself.
Greetings, this is Selected Princess, bigging up Charly Black's Trelawney's son, country boy, former selector, top entertainer, diamond entertainer. Congratulations on everything. The world is still yours. Keep soaring.
Whoa. Charly, if you don't reach this year, next year now pass. Congrats on the double platinum. See? Sing it, I represent. Whoa. Big up. Go on, do it, Charly. Diamond and them something there. I'm more diamond and diamond and diamond and diamond and diamond. Terrible. Yeah. Country boy, I think of myself.